Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So just by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. I go into details. So here you can set up a schedule for it. Like you can select days on which it will be active. Select time period. You can add interruptions or exceptions to it. You can allow contacts, calls from contacts only, favorite contacts, or from anybody. Same goes to messages, repeated callers. You can also add up notifications to these allowed exceptions and other sounds like this. You can also hide notifications, like hide some specific ones or just hide them all. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.